Hi everyone, I am MD SHAMRAT MIAH. Today I am going to show you that how can we move our all configuration information from switch to our safe host. So by our graphical mode, in here we have a computer, a server and a switch. So my plan is if our switch crash or permanently shut down by with any accident, so all of our information what is very essential to us, so all configuration settings will be gone permanently. So for an safe exit, so we have to save all configurations as a recovery file to our safe host, and here is our server. So we can easily save all configuration mode to our server point. So when we will install a new switch after accidentally damage old one, so we can again back our all configuration mode from our server. So for these things we have to be click on our switch, and we have to write a command like as uh, copy uh, copy running con copy running config TFTP. Okay, and then we have to be click on here. So here is our address or name of remote host. So if we see in here, this is our server, and if we click on here, so here is our if we write on here desktop, so this is our host information 10.0.0.20. So from here we have to be mention this address 10.0.0.20, and we have to click on again enter. So destination file name, and in at this point we have to be add a file name. So file name should be like as for example 123 uh, 123 uh, md new file recovery. This is our this all configuration saving file name. Okay, and we have to be write on here, we have to be click on here enter, and writing running configuration, and our all configuration, all information saved on our server successfully. So at this point, if our switch has affected by any other it or it damaged permanently, so we can install another new one, and we can easily get back our all configurations from our server with this way. Okay, so I'm going to show you that I'm going to show you that from our server, because all configurations from here to here now moved. So I have to be click on here server, and I have to give go to on services. Okay, so here is our HTTP, DHCP version 6 and TFTP. So we have to click on our TFTP, and for the first file 123 MD new file recovery, this file has been created right now, and all of our configurations on our switch as switch, all of our configuration from our switch has already saved on this in this here on this file name 123. So if we our switch damaged in any time, so we can reset another new one, and we can call this recovery file, and all configuration will be successfully installed like as before. So like this way we can save our all configuration to any host like as our server. So from this video, my view was to clear this concept to everyone who is a very beginner and freshener for this cybersecurity course, that how can we recover, how can we store our all configuration to any host. So this is the basic concept, because a concept is not a totally final concept. This concept especially, it has a more deep and deep method, so we will learn day by day. deep and more deep. Thank you very much, and I wish to all of you students you will try these things and this type of techniques at your home, because practice and practice makes you more perfect. Thank you very much, and I will come back as soon as possible with a new interesting items. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.